Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. In this presentation we want to advertise on an online platform the Greek islands and attract tourists from all over the world, showing the beauty of nature, the endless blue of the sea and the warm hospitality. Here we will create the title slide. We will use earthy colors such as brown and green, and as an image we will put the olive branch, which is a symbol of peace and victory related to the costumes of ancient Greece. We will choose a photo, but first we must say that from the left side outside the design area we have the color with its codes, which we will use for our title. We also write the code in the description so you can copy it from there or from the screen if you want to practice with us. First we want to create something like a frame that frames the image. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, click the rectangle, click from the right upper corner to the lower side of the slide. Now we want to do right click, Format Shape, Fill No Fill, Line Solid Line. We choose the color eyedropper from the left side outside the design area, and the width we put it 100 points. Now we want to insert the image. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Just close the format picture. Grab the white dot on the right and drag the mouse to expand the image. And then right click, Send to Back. Oops. Right click, Send Back behind the frame. Now we add the oil images. We go to Insert ribbon, Pictures, this device. We choose the HVG icon oil image, and here it is. And we adjust it. We copy with Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. We copy it again to put it from the other side, upper. And we rotate it. Excuse me, I rotate it. And Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. We rotate it. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert the title. We go to Insert, Text Box, click in the desired position. We want to choose Times New Roman font. Size 32. Bold and shadow white color we choose, and we write our title, Exploring the Enchanting Greek Islands Getaways. Now it's time for animations. We choose the rectangle, we go to entrance, more entrance effects, we choose compress, click OK, start with previews, duration 1. We go to the image, we click animation, we go to motion paths, line, effect options, left, start with previews, duration 2.50. We go to oil images, entrance again, compress, more entrance effects, compress, OK, start with previews, duration 2, we go again to oil image, entrance, more entrance effect, compress, OK, start with previews, duration 2, again in the oil image, entrance, more entrance effect, compress, OK, start with previews, duration 2, and the last oil image, animations, entrance, more entrance effects, compress, OK, start with previews, duration 2, and we go to the title, animation, entrance, zoom, start after previews, duration 1. And we go to the first animation, choose play from to see the result. Or we can go down to the slideshow button to see the result again. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. And we are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!